are interested in signing up as volunteers, you'll need to claim a puppy contestant first. Help the puppy perform well, and it might find a new owner. The competition is about to start, though. Almost all of the puppies have been claimed. Only this one is left. His name is Howl.
He keeps howling. I'd say his name really suits him.
The volunteers who worked with him think he's too introverted. He might not be very cooperative during training.
You only put this on me after we left the supermarket. And it already caught his attention. He's probably used to seeing this stuff. He doesn't think we're serious. We need a more patient approach to show we're sincere. I could have sworn we brought that brush from the store. He missed a lot of people. Maybe he was waiting for us so he could enter the competition. Pet his nose. What do you mean? It's safe as far as I'm aware. This has better odds than scratch-off tickets. I can win the jackpot with just a few scratches. You stared at me for a long time, you know. That's the jackpot. Whether he had his reasons or was just making excuses, he willingly gave Hal up. So, our goodest boy isn't related to him anymore. We just need to focus on his future. Let's take him to the track and see what he can do while we still have daylight. This is gonna take a while.